Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to divide numbers in Google Sheets or Excel with just a few simple steps. If you've ever felt stuck or confused about how to perform a division calculation in a spreadsheet, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know two fast and easy ways to get it done. Whether you're managing a budget, doing homework, or working with business data, mastering this small skill can make your work so much easier and more accurate. So let's jump right in. Alright, the first thing you'll want to do is make sure you already have your data ready in your spreadsheet. That could be a list of numbers, a table, or even just two values you want to divide. For example, maybe you're trying to figure out what you spent per item after a shopping trip, or you want to divide sales totals by the number of months to find an average. Whatever your scenario, having your numbers organized and clear is step one. Take a second and look at your sheet to pinpoint the two numbers you want to divide. The first one is your dividend, the number being divided, and the second is your divisor, the number you're dividing by. Now click into any blank cell where you want the answer to appear. This can be right next to your data or wherever you'd like to see the result. I always think of this cell as your answer box, kind of like the space on your calculator where the final answer pops up. Ready for the magic formula? In Google Sheets, you can simply type equals divide and then open parentheses just like this, equals divide dividend divisor. Dividend will be either the number itself, or you can refer directly to a cell like A2 or B5 if your numbers are already in the sheet. Same with divisor. So if you're dividing the number in cell A2 by the number in B2, you'd type equals divide A2 B2. Once you hit enter, Google Sheets instantly gives you the result right there in your chosen cell. It's super clean and also helpful because the divide formula is really readable, which makes coming back to your sheet in the future so much easier. It's clear at a glance what's happening. But wait, there's another way. If you like keeping things straightforward, you can also use the regular division symbol, just like you would on a calculator or even with pen and paper. All you have to do is type an equals sign, then your dividend, a forward slash, that's the division symbol, and then your divisor. For example, equals A2 slash B2 or equals 100 slash 4. This method works in both Google Sheets and Excel. It's fast, intuitive, and especially handy when you're doing lots of quick calculations. Just double check you haven't swapped the numbers around or left any empty cells. If you try to divide by 0, you'll get an error message, so that's something to watch out for. And that's it. Once you've entered the formula, press enter and your result appears instantly. Both methods work equally well, so it's really up to your personal preference. If your calculation looks off or you see an error, don't panic. Double-check your cell references or the numbers you entered. Sometimes it's as simple as a typo or blank cell causing problems. Alright, you're all set. Now you know exactly how to divide numbers in Google Sheets and Excel, whether you prefer using the divide function or the classic division symbol. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, hit that like button, and if you've got any questions or want tips on other spreadsheet tricks, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more clear, easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy calculating.